Tired of wandering aimlessly in Minecraft, desperately searching for that elusive biome you need? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to finding any biome you desire, transforming you from a lost traveler into a master explorer. First up, let's harness the power of commands. Ensure cheats are enabled in your world settings. Open the chat window, usually by pressing the / key. Now, type the locate command, followed by the name of the biome you're seeking. The game will then provide the coordinates of the nearest instance of that biome. Follow those coordinates, and prepare to be amazed as you step into your desired biome. Keep in mind that some biomes might be far away, depending on your world generation. Next, we'll explore the world of online mapping tools. Several websites and applications can analyze your world save file and generate a comprehensive map revealing biome locations. Simply upload your world save file to one of these tools, and it will display a detailed map, highlighting different biomes. This method is fantastic for planning expeditions and discovering hidden gems. Finally, don't underestimate the power of good old-fashioned exploration. Sometimes, the best discoveries are made through adventurous journeys. Craft a compass and map to aid your navigation, and venture out into the unknown. Look for visual cues, such as changes in vegetation, terrain, and weather patterns, which often indicate the presence of a new biome. So, whether you prefer the precision of commands, the overview of mapping tools, or the thrill of exploration, you now have the knowledge to locate any biome in Minecraft. Happy hunting!